Pynbor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi but bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahe do India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, ar riu be khandai pra.
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Puthi Jong Sarkar Jela Urakam Sangma hak Shitrik Unailar Alja Apulai Ulai Thu Bak Sarkar Kalakentu Yak School Ba North Eastern Hill University Makan Pynbor College Bakin Pentrikam Yak National Education Policy Kibam Patla Setiaban Pentrikam Pura Yang Ni Policy Hak Jingkram Bigilap Thai Kubur Urakam Ulai Thu Bak Ketenaga Puli Puthi Kalapha Yak Kyrpad Show Vice Chancellor Nehu Professor P.K. Shukla Ba Unkhat Jingalang Ya Borok Kinong Penya Juki College Menyetir sani biang halor ganiga kam khanang banyo yak jinge trailang nabaro.
Decision is already clear, right? Nehu is already going ahead as per the notification, right? So state has a limited role here. Yeah, we have already met them not to force our institutions to while implementing NEP. Which also have extremely difficult situation. However, I think, but we have requested Nehu, the Vice Chancellor, to convene a meeting with all the head of institutions and to discuss length and breadth and to give hand-holding assistance with academic, so of any kinds, because I feel in any move, none should be left out, and the whole should not be left out from the rest of the country. So this is very important. But as a son of the soil, as a academician, early is the better. When we looking at the scenario, looking at the whole environment of the country, like Shillong should not be left out. We have the potential to go ahead. Certainly we have the challenges, but if Shillong, the Meghalaya state left out, I think that will not be sound good. But however, with this development, with MCT has called for non-cooperation, I would be happy if MCT could convene the head of meeting with the head of institutions and discuss and find a way forward. So this is what I think. I'm reiterating again, the students like the normal classes, and I think should not be fair, because the students is our center of our decision. This is true. So in a hybrid mode, some college will be left out, which none of the colleges don't want to be left out. But if all decide not to, again, the entire state will be left out again, which we will choose. Therefore, let the head of the institutions, Nehu, should discuss in the trade will. So and then they should to be praying again the future of our students. It's a priority and a center of all decisions. We have met I think 3 or 4 times together. We have requested Nehu to. We have I think it's a fourth time we have discussed. Okay, and we have also made a big meeting here in the secretariat where the Nehu officials and the education officials and all the head of institution was also there. And we have discussed. And the last meeting was convened on 4th of July in the chamber of Chief Secretary, and where our officials was also there. Then they have come to the that formula. But not whether hybrid mode will be the wise to go ahead or not. That Nehu and head of the institutions if they can decide, it will be better for the future of our students. We have a state higher education council is there, so we have not said before. So that will be the first meeting of the council. So where Nehu will also be there, and the head institutions will be also be there. So we will also deliberate and we will listen to them, because to be frank, as a state government, we have asked the written reply information from the head of institutions across the state whether they are ready for NEP or not. Then most of the head of institution principal, they said we are not ready. I am happy to understand that many head of the institutions, after the meeting with Nehu officers and after going through all the details, right? Maybe syllabus, maybe curriculum. I think they might have changes their mind. I heard so because it had been good if everybody on the same page. Knowing the challenges of the state and to take step forward in the education sector. State has already in line with a new state university that is called Captain Sangma State University in Tura. And our friends SYC has demanded and approached and gave up the proposal to have another state university. This is something this is something that I also feel. Maybe in the days to come, in the years to come, this is something as a unitely, as a minister, as a stakeholder, we should be happy to see things happen. So definitely, I will also, as a department, we will find the way how things can be done. So I think certainly our chief minister and the chief minister who is dynamic will be happy to be on the same page with our HYC and the young Zawar State dreams for. Let's look forward. Certainly. So this is also my personal dreams. So Meghalaya should have not only the state, every university of the world class. Since Meghalaya is known for the educational hub of the country, that standard should live long. So we'll work the way, we'll find the way. So let's keep our dreams alive.